Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MEIZU M8 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on language and time. Now let's tap on the language, and as you can see we've just been transferred to the list of all available languages which are of course available in this device. So all you have to do right now is to simply find the one you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick Turkish for example. After tapping on it you can see that it is immediately marked, and after going back you can also see that it has been immediately changed. So from now on the whole system will be in the Turkish language, of course in my case. Let me pick English again because I'm not really good at Turkish. Let me tap on it. And the same situation, it has been immediately ticked and the language in the whole system has been changed. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your MEIZU M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.